Welcome to the Decade Series by Kinja Dixon. Your countdown begins now.
Have you allowed our humanity to dwindle you down to just a particular gender, color, or financial status? Aren't all labels limits? And haven't we seen what identifying with those human-created labels have done within our humanity thus far? I completely understand if you've been trained to only see me as a male of a particular color. But is it wrong for me to view you as a being that is way beyond any identification? On an animal level, I get it. Squirrels hang with squirrels, lions hang with lions, bears hang with bears, all the way throughout the animal kingdom. But animals are mainly controlled by fear and their five senses. We have access to powers like perception, imagination, intuition, memory, reasoning, willpower. So don't those powers disqualify us from being on any level that is similar to our animal brothers and sisters? If so, would it be possible for a human to ignite those powers from within at such a high level that all human-created titles no longer are attached to them? I'm going to end it like this. What are you? And have any of those titles ever led you to feel isolated? If so, what are you willing to do within your hours awake today to activate your powers from within at such a high level that human-created titles can no longer describe you as you get closer to merging with your cosmic identity? Food for thought, because each minute of today is going to help you get closer to your next decade.